Sometimes, on your Android phone, you might want to use apps in full screen. In this video, we'll explain how to use any app in full screen on an Android phone. To do this, open Settings. When you open Settings, you'll see an option called Display. Tap on Display, and as you scroll down, you'll find an option called Full Screen Mode. Tap on it. Depending on the brand, there might be some differences. I'm using a POCO phone. If you're confused, here's what you can do. Open Settings, and at the top, you'll see a Search Settings option. Tap on it and search for Full Screen. When you search for Full Screen, you'll see Full Screen Mode. Just tap on it and you'll see a list of apps. If you want to use an app in full screen, you'll need to enable it from here. If it's disabled, simply toggle it on. After that, you can use the app in full screen. This way, you can easily set any app to full screen on your Android phone. Hope this video was helpful. If you found it useful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.